Okay. Did you complete dance? I will explain now. Did you complete or I'll explain? Complete, so you can explain us. Sure, right. Thank you. Then let's go to the whiteboard. First, we should start the project. Then need to draw the circle. Is represent. We start the project and put the number 1, event number 1. Then activity A, preceding task is none, B none. Just draw the 2 arrows from the event number 1, A and B. Then C, we should complete A. We already start A, not completed, using the another event number 2. We are going to say we complete activity A. Then we can start C. Next, for the D, we should complete B. Already start B using the third event. We are going to say we complete B. Then we can start D. Sometimes you have problem why I draw the D end of the C. Reason behind that, I show that next one, activity E, we can start after complete C and D both. The very first time I'm going to draw this as a wrong way, but anyway, to explain purpose, right? Don't worry. Here the fourth one is represent complete DC both. Then we can start activity E. This one is wrong actually. Anyway, that I'll explain later. For the next one, F, we should complete only C. We should complete only C. Then fourth event represent complete CD both. But if you start F from the fourth event, that is wrong. Why? For the F need to complete only C. But fourth event represent complete CD both is given the wrong idea. right? When I'm going to start the F, we should complete only C, but for the E, we should complete CD both. That's wrong. Then I like to make the correct one. Right. Now we can start D after complete B. The next one for the E, we should complete CD both. You know that if you complete CD both using the same event, is spread their own idea to the last activity F. Therefore, skip for a moment, give the priority for the last one, F. If you want to start F, need to complete only C. Then you can draw the another event to complete C. Event number 4th. Represent complete C. Then you can start activity F. Now you can consider the previous one. For the D, for the E, we should complete CD both. CD both. Now you can see the D complete. We can complete using the 5th event. But if you want to start E, we should complete CD both. The 5th event represent complete D only, but we should say that we need to complete CD both. Then therefore, we should use the dotted line. We should use the dotted line. Starting point, event number 4. Is represent complete CD. We call this then here we call the UMMY. Now 5th event represent complete CD both. Then you can start activity E. Then finally you can complete the entire project. After that we don't have any tasks. Entire project after 5th week. That's the very first time use the dummy activity. Now you can see A start from the first event without complete anything. B start from the first event without complete anything. Both have a none. For the C, we should complete A. For the D, we should complete B. Then for the E, we should complete only C. F. For the E, we should complete D and C both. The last one, we should complete the entire project. We don't have more than one starting, more than one finishing. Any questions, clarifications? No any questions. Okay, let's go to the. Do you complete? Everybody got the correct answer. But if you want to check that A based on this diagram, you can do the reverse. You can check that you are compare with your question. Your answer is correct or wrong. You can get the confidence. Right. If you don't have questions, then I'll go to the next example. I'll share this example number 4. Still this example for the beginners, not for your level. Okay, do yourself complete answer. Everybody. After you complete the answer, let me know. You can just chat with me. I think it's not difficult that sometimes you thought this there are so many activities and difficult draw that no, you can go step by step. Sometime I mentioned if you start in the same event more than one activities, you can't complete using the another same event. More than one activity you start for the same event, you can't complete both using the another same event. If the situation like that, we should use a dummy activity. That's the only the things you need to get the knowledge. Then I think rest of it's not difficult. So easy. Go step by step. When I'm going to draw the uh, any activity is have a problem, they skip for a moment and give the priority for the next. Again back to the previous one. Likewise, you can draw. I can make the answer quickly, but I think if you want to get the knowledge, at least you need to complete somewhat, either correct or wrong. Then or after complete, let me know. Then after this example, if you required, I can give the short break. It's up to you. If you don't like short break, we can continue until finishing event. I got the message. Let's see. You're right. Okay. Now I'll explain the answer. Let's go to the whiteboard. First, we should start the project. Draw the circle, put the number 1. This means we start the project. Then A, none, B, none, C, none. Without complete anything, you can start ABC, all 3 activities. Straightforward. Draw the 3 arrows. After you get in experience, no need to do the 1 by 1. Likewise, you can do the straightforward 3 arrows to reduce your completion time. Activity A, then B, C. Top of the line or somewhere you can write down the name of the activity. Don't draw the circle, right? If required, you need to draw that. Go to the next. For the D, need to complete A, B both. I'm sure now you have a problem. A and B start from the event number 1. You can't complete A, B using another same event. Because starting and the finishing, I mentioned earlier, cannot use the same event more than one activity. If the situation like that, just skip for a moment activity D and give the priority for the E. If you want to start E, we should complete only B. Now already start B. Now I'll have to complete B using the second event. Second event, right? Then you can start activity E. Now consider the previous one. Previous one is D. If you want to start D, we should complete A, B both. We already complete B. Then we should use the dummy activity from the second event. Dotted line arrow. Then, sorry, take the A to end of the dummy. Then you can complete A, B both after the third event. Third event. Then you can start activity D. Next, for the F, we should complete B, C both. B already completed. Then we should complete B and C both. Then we should use another dummy from the second event. Dummy also should be forward process, right? Another dummy activity. Then we can complete BC after the fourth event. There are so many dummies, then you can say if you required. U double MY dummy number 1. And here is dummy number 2. Then after complete B and C both, we can start F. Don't forget this one, right? You can see the question. For the F, we should complete BC. Now we already complete BC, fourth event. Then we can start activity F. Activity F. What is the next? For the G, we should complete EF. Then fifth one, complete E and F both. Then after complete EF, you can start G. The name is actually G. Then go to the next. For the H, we should complete EF. We complete EF already from the fifth event. Then we can draw the H. Next one, for the I, we should complete DH. DH. Here the H. I think better take the other side. Then after complete DH from sixth event, we can start sixth event. We can start I. What is the next? J after complete EF. The J. Next one, the JEF. Then K GIJ. K. we have a G, I, J. The problem is now G, J start in the fifth event, same event. You can't complete G, I, J all using another same event. Please give me 1 minute. Sorry for that. Then after the K, we can't draw the K. Actually, G, I, J, we should complete. G, I, J. The problem is when I'm going to complete the G, I, J, G, J start in the fifth event. Then we can't complete G, I, J all together because I is no problem that GJ start in the same event, then we can't complete using another same. If the situation like that, skip for a moment, give the priority for the next. Next is L. Immediate precedent is a J. We should complete J to start L. Now I like to give the priority for the K. We should complete J first, seventh event, then we can start K. Now consider previous one. It would start sorry, just now we start the L, not the K, right? After complete J, we start L. Here should be the L. Now we should draw the K. If you draw the K, we should complete G, I, J. We already completed now J. Then take the dummy from the J and take activity I and J also. After complete G, I, J, now possible to start K after the 8th event. Then we start K. The next for the M, complete KL. Now K and L we can complete after the event number 9 because you can see the KL start in the different events. Then we can complete both using the same event. Then we can start activity M. Then that's the last one. Then we can complete the entire project after 10th event. 10th event. That's the way you should draw this diagram. If you're not sure, go ahead to the backward. I mean that reverse based on the diagram. Just think about the given question. A none, B none, C none, likewise. Just try to complete answer yourself. And also simultaneously let me know that do you want to break or either we can other options we can use. We can stop it bit early. It's up to you. If you like to take the break, I like to give that 15, 20 minutes. It's depending on your requirement. Let me know. Do you like to take the break? I can give it 15, 20 minutes.
Shall we continue and finish here?
Yeah, normally at what time need to finish? Need
It's
to complete the ask
9:30.
time in the episode also that. Yes? At what time to need to complete? Finish an event, I ask.
9:15.
Okay. Right. Okay, go ahead now. I'll continue. Did you complete this example? Everybody agree, no? If you don't agree, let me know, right? The majority we can consider. Did you complete this question answer? Any clarifications? I think now we are in the fourth example. Then somewhat you have a knowledge now to draw the network diagram because if you draw the wrong diagram, everything is incorrect, right? You can't find the entire project completion time or either critical path or sometime slack time that all the figures are incorrect if you draw the wrong diagram. They're still silent, know that. Did you complete this answer? Or you need more time?
Complete, sir.
Okay, very good. Then let's go to the another example. That's the last one, right? I'll share the PowerPoint slides. Then try to complete yourself. If you everybody can complete the correct answer, no need to go to the other examples. Okay, example number 5. Still, these are the example for the beginners to get the idea about clearly. Okay, let's start now. A none, B none, C A, D A, E A. You can maintain your result sheets likewise, much better, no? A plus, so like without C. Go ahead yourself, draw the diagram. I'll give you 3 minutes maximum.
Excuse me, sir.
If you complete the answer, let me know. The requirement is everybody need to make the complete answer. Because now you can do, I am sure that because now we have the fifth example. End of these all the techniques, I am sure you can draw at least 20-22 diagrams. But before that, much better to get the real knowledge how to draw the correct diagram. Did you complete the answer? I think now the time enough. I'll explain now.
Okay, sir.
Right now, can say A and B, we can start without complete anything. Let's go to the whiteboard. First, we should start the project. Draw the circle, put the number 1. Then A and B, we can start without complete anything. Next one, C, we should complete A. D, we should complete A. E, we should complete A. C, D, E. All 3, we can start after complete A. The second event is present complete A. Then we can start C, D, and E. Next one, for the F, G, H, we should complete C. We already start C, not completed, using another event, third event. We are going to say complete C. Then we can start F, G, and H. Next one, for the J, we should complete B, D both. B and D. Here the B, here the D. I would like to take the D, and I like to take the D this side. Then these two we can keep as C and E. D, E both we should complete to start sorry, B and D we should complete to start J. B and D. Then we can start J after the fourth event. The next K we should complete Fj. Here the J, here the F. We should take the F this side. There should be the forward process, backward not allow. Then you can say the here the task F. Just you can change the directions, not the affect to the given solution. I mean that given information. Then after complete the F and J, F and J, you can start K. The next L, we should complete E, H, G, K. There are four E, H, G, K. E here, H, G, K. The problem is that G and H start from the third event, K and E separate event. Then we don't have problem. But I earlier mentioned we can't draw the cross arrows. Then much better take the E outside. Right? Don't keep the E inside here. We can take the activity E outside likewise. Here the C, here we can say E. Then E, K, we can complete using another same event, but G, H start in the same event. You can't complete both using the same event. In a situation like that, skip for a moment and give the part for the next. M we can start after complete EH. Now let's go to complete the EH. Here the H, here the E. I like to take the H this side without affecting to the given information. Should be the name H. Here the H. Then after complete EH, we can start M. Now consider previous one. The previous one means that E, H, G, K, all four we should complete to start E, H, G, K. We should complete to start L. Therefore, first you can get the dummy from EH, even number 6 is represent complete, sorry, ENH. EH, GK. EHG, we should take the K here also. Then we can complete all after 7th event. Then we can start L. The next one, for the N, complete LM. After complete L and M, we can start N. Then we can start N from the 8th, even number 8. The last one, activity N. The entire project we can complete after the 9th event. That's the way you should draw the network diagram for this example. Now AB start event number 1 without complete anything. We start E, D, E, C after complete A. We start F, G, H after complete C. Likewise, you can do the reverse. Then you can get the same question. If you have any doubt about your diagram is correct or wrong, do the reverse. Based on the diagram, just write down the question and you can compare with the original question. Both are tally, then you can see that. Okay, I think now you do complete. Any questions? You understood that? If possible to make the answer this type of question is, I think, much better. But still you don't have enough experience. Better to go through again, starting from beginning and do yourself. Then try to enhance your knowledge. Do you want to example enough? This example, I think enough now. Any questions before wind up the today class? I can't hear your sound. Peksha or Kumara? Lahiru. Right, I got the message that Peksha said that all good. Right, then now today we can stop the class, but anyway, I'll give the small homework, right? When you come in next time, need to bring the correct answer for the next question. I will share now. This is the last one. The example number 6. Construct a network diagram. Then here the example is given the activity 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4 and time mean the each activity completion time duration given. But this example some difference compare the previous all examples. But anyway, I don't like to explain anything. Try to draw yourself network diagram. Next time I'm going to check your answer. Right, I think for the today the time is over now because without getting the break we continue until the 9:15 start from 6:30. Right, then better to complete this diagram again to enhance your knowledge. And next time I will let explain the CPM method, critical path method. Then after that we can go to the PERT method, and finally we can discuss about the project creation. Okay, thank you all of you, and good night.
Thank you, sir. Good time.